Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dhruv Shaw, and in this video, this is my Sanya Ranakshetram Unrecoverable Challenge Submission. So, again, I tell this that I prefer to keep my Sanya Ranakshetram challenge submission segregated. So, instead of creating a new repository directly in my profile here, I just created another GitHub organization in which only I am there under the name of Senior Anakshetram Submission, and in the description it's there. Here I will put my whole Senior Anakshetram challenges submission. So this is, and whenever I finish this video and submit it, the repository will get archived like this. Not ticket, this would be unrecoverable. So here I have created here the description means the problem statement was that data recovery software can easily recover the deleted data from the hard disk. So we have to develop an executable code snippet for the Microsoft Windows environment to securely delete the given file. Thus, that deleted file should not be recoverable using any forensic tool, and any of the common secure deletion practices may be used. So, wait, let me show you. When we delete file from this recycle bin, what it does that. Okay, so let me explain it from the start only. I'll just go here. So, solution. So the first common method for securely deleting the file is SRM method. So first I'll explain uh, what is actually meant by secure deletion of the file. So secure deletion of the file means that whenever we delete a file, it doesn't get actually it doesn't permanently gets deleted from the hard disk. So from the hard disk, only its log entry is deleted. Like whenever we delete the file from the recycling bin here, only its entry gets deleted. So the first common method is the SRM method. SRM method, it's only unique to Unix and Linux type systems and Mac OS type systems. It's not available in the Windows, as you can see here. Let me show you. So yeah, as you can see here, SRM. So we can see that SRM is not recognized any command function or any script file. So SRM is not a default option for Windows. So what we have to do right now, that we have to use Gutman method. So Gutman method is actually an algorithm for securely erasing the contents of computer from the hard disk drive, such as files. It was actually devised by Peter Gutman. As you can see, I have opened its Wikipedia, and here is Gutman override method table. Gutman override method table, and using this Gutman method, what we do that we get the data what we have to actually override in the file before deleting it. So what would happen that so in a default delete in a Windows, only its log registry is deleted, not the actual file. So the file size remains same on the hard disk and it would clog the hard disk. So using the Gutman method, what it does that it actually overrides the file and actually saves more space. So using the Gutman method, we actually get the data what we have to actually overwrite in a file before deleting it. So, oh sorry, here is a typo. It would be actually THE. So in the internet, I found a super Stack Overflow answer, which was actually addressing this. So addressing this question, Python securely remove the file. So there were some discussions going on. At the first, here only I saw the SRM method. Then I saw some functions written here, and the very good, well structured out answer was this one. So this one actually, to an extent uses Gutman method. To an extent it actually appends null into the file before removing it. So I'll show you right now. So I have a file namely main.py, and in order to run this we need to have Python 3.8 in our system, and then in console we have to type the following command: python main.py. So let me close this. Let me open my let me freshly open my terminal. So yeah, after opening my terminal, especially opening my terminal, I'll just type python main.py. So it's running. So now I have to enter a file path that needs to be deleted. So at first I'll create a simple text file. So that would be hi.txt. I'll just enter through as a good boy. Okay. Now I'll just type here hi.py and given. Oh, so see here. I created hi.text and here I type hi.py, and hi.py does not exist in the system, so it gave me an error. So I'll just rerun the program again. Here I type hi.txt, securely deleted hi.txt. Let me show you. Let me just comment this line and let me show you what it does, what it actually does to a file. So I'll again create hi.txt and type Dhruv is a good boy, and I'll close this for now. And since I have commented this os.remove, so this file will remain only just what overwriting or what data overwriting I am doing. I'll just show you right now. So I'll do just python.py run and type hi.txt. It's printing securely deleted, since print function is after the secure delete function. So now let me open the hi.txt file. So at first here you can see that now it has some binaries encoded in a text file. I'll just open it built-in text using built-in text editor, and you can see here null, all null is there, nothing. So in a sense this file is null, it's not using any space. So in a sense I am just emptying this file using Gottman method. Using the Gottman method I am getting what data needs to be extracted, and then null, in a sense I am just nullifying this, or you can say I am just emptying this file, and then using the os.remove path I am removing its log entry from the system. So I'll just again uncomment this line and do python main.py hi.txt securely deleted. So this was actually using a simple text file. Now I'll show you using a big, a big video file. Wait, why this is 0 bar. Now I'll show you using a big video file. So I have some big video files in my recycle bin. Wait, so which one is the big? This one is 119 MB. Okay, so I'll just restore this. It's restored here. Okay, then what I'll do that I'll just wait. Let me open its properties. This is its location. Let me fully copy it. So first I'll run python main.py videos.txt /. Oh, just a second. I'll copy the file name and what was its extension? .mp4. So .mp4. Now I'll delete this. So let me first close that properties one. Uh, yeah, properties one closed. Now what file will be deleted? That is 2021 11 24 21 744 underscore trim would be deleted, securely deleted, and it wouldn't be found using any forensic tool available on the in the internet. So now I'll press enter. It will just take a bit time. After that it would show securely deleted. So it's taking time since it's 119 MB. It has to read every bytes of the file, and then it needs to replace the data. Here in the Stack Overflow answer is also mentioned. Let me open this. Yeah, it's actually taking a bit time since it's file operation. Where is Martin? Yeah, so here you can see that that is a good idea, but there is an advantage using random.c instead of using os.urrandomn. So here's an argument given by Kindall that us.urrandom will probably a lot faster since you will get more than one byte at a time. You want to generate random data in chunks, so it may be 256k and 1 MB at a time. To avoid needing all the random data in memory, so that would be fast as SRM. So yeah, this would be not nearly secure as SRM, but we can use this, and not nearly fast as either, but yeah, since it would be not nearly fast as either as SRM, since SRM is actually a default command in Linux and Unix POSIX type systems. It's not in a Windows system. So that's why Gutmann algorithm has been standardized for decade, and for a good reason. So that's why sometimes it may take time. Wait, it's actually taking a lot of time. I'll see, is there any shorter file for this? I'll just check it. Ah, it's not responding for a second. So nah, no need. It would be. It's actually depend upon the speed of your. Sorry, it's actually depend upon your processor, what kind of processor you are using, and so finally the file is deleted. It really took a long time. You can see the timestamp here also. I actually paused the video since I didn't want that video should be so long just because of that only. So I just paused the video in between and replayed it again. And sorry, I just paused the video in the between and started recording again when the file was securely deleted. So let me show you. It was in your D drive videos. So let me show you. Okay, so I'll just go manually D drive and then wait. It would be just videos. Yeah, so it since it's videos, this videos directory is located in D drive. Dhruva, since Dhruv is this account name. So just videos, and here you can see it's not there. The 2021 124 121 7 underscore trim dot 24 sorry dot mp4, it's not there. It's securely deleted. So that's how a secure deletion. That's my solution for the secure deletion in in the windows, and this is my submission. And yeah, this is my submission for the Senior Anakshetram Unrecoverable Challenge. So yeah, thank you.